Hello, everyone. I will share the link to the document in the chat. Today we have the refinement meeting. So please write your name on top of the agenda. And also to the maintainers, please join the Scrum Poker link board here. Everything is in the chat. So for today, we have two issues at the moment. Let's start with the first one in the list, which is from Florian about improving the error message that we provide in the spans. This was also noticed during KubeCon while we were presenting the KLT in the booth. And it's a great thing to polish. So currently, the problem is here. When we report an evaluation that failed in the trace, we don't say why. We are missing what was the target for this value. And we just have to improve the event in the span, basically. And we already have some information. We just need to pick it up from the CRT. So rather straightforward. Are you ready to estimate, or would you need more inputs? Okay. I think everyone put us on very strong opinion for an excess.
No, I'm okay with excess as well.
And if no one objects to it, I would assign myself right away.
Yeah, okay. So we can maybe have it even for 0.8. Perfect. Thank you, Flo. Then following up, we have a ticket from Meg, more an epic than a ticket, where the goal is to improve the documentation, in particular the getting started guide with 3 different topics, the one that we highlight during our KubeCon talks. The Keptn metric, then a way to standardize access to observability data, basically provide observability out of the box of your deployment in Kubernetes, and orchestration of deployments, where you can run things before and after deployment. What would you like to go over this ticket, Meg?
Mostly I wanted to give the team a heads up because of the fact that I'm gonna have to, I'm I'm in GitHub hell. I'm going to have to blow away my fork and recreate like 12 PRs just because of that. But I spent the weekend getting these drafted. The deadline is to have them done by the middle of this week, which is not going to happen. But I have a good draft. We're off to a good start. And I just wanted to give people a heads up that we'll have to, Giovanni will have to figure out release issues, etc. But we'll might as well get them up. And I just wanted everybody to know that this was going on, and it's intensive and etc. And
Yeah, for releases, sorry, it's not a problem. We can also do a one-off release whenever the documentation is ready.
right.
Or manually create a backport PR to improve the existing documentation. That's not
Yeah.
also a problem.
Okay. Christian, I don't know. Do you have anything to input here?
No, that's basically what we have discussed, right? Which is great.
Great.
So
we've got right now
and if
the,
it's not, I don't think it needs to be really finished till mid of the week, but to have it easier for the people to actually see what we were talking about at KubeCon might
Yeah.
be beneficial.
I'm calling them pre-alphas right now, but it's not going to take me real long to get them into shape from here now. I had to get some clarification from Andy, and I had to wait until a few hours ago to do that, but so we're in good shape, and it's not as terrible a task as I had thought it was going to be.
Okie dokie, then. Thank you, Meg, for working on that. I will assign the milestone 09. I put 09 because we are aiming to do the release later today of 07.1, latest tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Since Florian finished with, where is it, the PR? Finished with everything about the auto discovery today. Where is the PR?
We merged it.
I'm looking for the release PR.
Ah,
Do you see it? Oh, I'm blind. Never mind.
One concern is that I've got all these outstanding PRs. It means we're gonna have a lot of, because I'd made like stub pages. So we have a lot of pages that don't have content in them because the content is over here buried in PRs that the content, the file is ready, but the PR is a mess. We have tons of extra files and Andre just figured it out, and my only way out, I'm going to have to copy all the files off to another place, blow away my fork, and then recreate all the PRs. So that's not gonna happen in the next few hours.
Oh, no worries. Okie dokie. So maybe a heads
Mm.
up since we're talking about the release. You can see that we have quite a lot of bug fixes and dependency bumps and other stuff, and a lot of documentation. So thank you a lot to put more effort in the documentation. If you have 3 cycles today, go over this PR, test it out, the 07.1, and make sure that we don't have any last moment bugs, please. And then if you test everything and it's fine, review it, approve the PR. And with that, I think we are done with the tickets. I forgot to remove the label. Usually it's more, that reminds that. Perfect. And yes, we don't have any more tickets. So I'll say thank you all and have a great rest of your day.
Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good day. Bye.
Yeah.